Money Mo, what up?
Slaughterhouse is in the building, you already know.
Yeah, what up?
What up, Joey? What up?
Bishop, Carly, what up?
Hey yo, if you from Connecticut,
what up?
let me hear you say now what it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut. Hey yo, DJ, drop that, baby.
Let's go. Peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, peace Connecticut, beef, we settle it. Humble and streets is better than causing grief. That beef's irrelevant. They stole our education, wouldn't release intelligence. Now I can raise a black child, telling me can be president. From my residence, Autobotz, we've been heaven sent. Usable testaments, 2010. I book the Genesis, verbal supremacists, witness images, through these sentences, hitting the benefit. It's wild enough to be listening, so pay attention. Brought a brigade of the strongest henchmen, forming the game till it's non-existent. The day we reign, they were not resistant. They'll awake from the plate, fight for change every day to pay hella business. Use the name, we will never risk it. This is our chance and we will never miss it. It ain't the same unless you represent it. We break the chains like we dodge in prison. And if you gay, then just watch your business. Straight what it. Real niggas in shots, peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas in shots, peace Connecticut, now what it. Real niggas in shots, peace Connecticut. Real niggas in shots.
Yo, ready for battle in this reckless world. Well, whatever trying to take me down. A lot of niggas can't fix it, but we seem to astound. Sound profound, never confound, squares for round. Dollars circulate around my way, but the greedy government be coming round, trying to eat my cake. Take the raisins to my lives to increase my pay. And I'm never dulling down and scripting a better picture. Young fly hands to me quick with a sharp figure. Autobotz legs, leave stuck in these beats. Continually climb, even when we reach our peak. Barely sleep, I count paper while you count your sheep. It's not a house you when you're meant to compete. This hip-hop game should be our thing, but we missing a link. CT help us connect this piece. On the rise to power, won't be hitting the shower till I miss it. Please don't let it. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut. Real niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut. Always said that I detected his destiny's birth until the point when I intercepted a message from Earth. It's prime, that's the one that I expected the least. So now I'm on a special run to bring Connecticut peace, where there is no such thing as a delicate beast. Concrete jungle, second floor project that left it leaks. Bouncing on the epic beast, wilding on the solemn on alert for the septic crease. So which direction is east? Follow the smoke from the joints of my mouth. Radio is like a compass, only points to the south. It's this rap the same pistol, I am acting as a catalyst. If any pisses out, the drinks them off for my dialysis. At this date in time, he quick straight divine. The king to see New England make all 6 days combine. It seems like every single rapper is lost, so they all must be stopped, no matter the cost. Then I wet it. The niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, I wet it. The niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, I wet it. The niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut, I wet it. The niggas lick shots, peace Connecticut. Yeah, Autobotz. Yeah, nigga. Hey, yo, Harper, where you at, baby? Slaughterhouse, what up?
Harper's Prime.
Yeah.
Yo, I spit for pretty niggas who come and gargle and special champagne. Some niggas run me like a Harvey Fight chain. Me and there is with a devil Hussein. It's very self built to counter dragon crane. Nights have a posture to maintain. Flows mainframe. It's constantly ice real by curious thing. My face can dissect the lane. Then I rest in the retreat, shade with blood scattered on my lines, man. You can't get your voice back in this game. Cybercrime is my lab, and Ryder is my son. Discipline is last from the tip of my tongue. I run on beats while my ancestors beating is wrong. I was suicide to the last beat in my lung. Life's a bitch, but I'm found nowhere to come. Cause that's where I come from. High chief on the statue from where the headdress been out of platinum. Unexplainable, this something to me. Y'all ain't saying nothing like a solid movie. Bring a ball against you in the dolly. Autobotz! It's full roll out and Sposy. Pouring 18 real truck. Down to a yellow punch buggy. Sipping feather and ink and speak through calligraphy. God forbid, if I ever lose a battle, I take it in stride like I was in the game 3. To go to divine love, hold to build cities. I went through to play your face. The last times for Biggie, but it's twist up. It wasn't over. I took a while to bring all of the soldiers for the streets. In tune to the mark of the beast. Revolution was at least we just wanted a piece of lasting. We got it on without the guns blasting. Celebrate for laughter. Purple on the javelin. Run up with wild savage man. How to make it happen, yeah. The team so you must be wet. Yeah. The whole South House for bed. Oh yeah. Me too, I read my truth. Now how you try it makes a difference on the step right through. When you see the headlights coming, get to running for a flip on your ass, transform and play shine. Nigga, it ain't good. It's all for the team. Got to the top of the game. Having a heart of the dream.
be the Autobotz.
Rolling on doors, rolling on bars. It's a floor, quick ice, with the drink of Tiger bars. Electronic receive, robotic evolutionary side of bars. Transformer, break gravity laws. In the spins, raggedy jaws. Spit, fancy and bars. Autobotz. It's like a golden trap, out of these bars. And then the college scores. Who we are?
We've been derailed by life's track, somebody will surely combine. Resurrected after this prime, holding back at the same time, let's do together define. Instead of puzzle of rhymes. Yeah, this was all a dream. Had a brainstorm, thought I was asleep. Autobotz, we stand strong, destruct and destroy till all of your land's gone. Lyrically playing ball, magically playing ball. Visually killing everything we put our hands on. Flick words like I'm studying with index cards. Warpath, C4 syntax bars. Turn around and back pedal, get hit with the strap metal. Take it to that level with all of you rap rebels, we the Autobotz. Hip-hop's realest acquisition. Choke the game until it taps into submission. We the chapters of the missing pages drafted in this prism. As we glisten, see reflections of the patterns in your vision. Backing on a mission so disastrous when spitting, rapping with a sickness to the point no ambulance can fix it. Crash course collision to this plan every foul. Transform, roll out, cocky cannons and yeah, we be the Autobotz.